I just purchased new carnivorous plants. I will unbox them as soon as possible. Nepenthes raw hamada. The first picture is still greenish and has the characteristic fangs of hamada. The other picture is more obvious. This one has especially great fangs. The spreading collar like robcantleys is very strong. I want to grow it well and see a big picture soon. 1 month later, Nepenthes robcantley hamada will be replanted. Remove the plant from the pot slowly so as not to damage the roots. Wash away the old soil with water. Cut any dead parts at this time. Heat the scissors over a fire to disinfect them. Cut off the dead pitcher. The pitcher is now clean. Use a tall flower pot for repotting. The soil to be used for repotting is a mixture of kanuma soil and coconut husk chips in the ratio of 73. The inside of the flower pot should look like this. After this amount of water has been added, the Nepenthes are planted. Plant the Nepenthes in the right position. After the position is decided, fill the gap with soil. The coconut husk chips used have the lye removed, so there is no need to soak them in water. Put the mixture in a flower pot so that it is just right. Why coconut husk chips? Coconut husk chips swell when they absorb water and shrink when they dry out. This creates movement in the soil, which may facilitate airflow. Even if plants do not put down roots in large quantities, the environment in the soil will be more conducive to growth. I thought this would suit Nepenthes, which is said to prefer oxygen and has poor roots that are susceptible to drought. Also, sphagnum moss basically deteriorates after about 1 year. Coconut husk chips, on the other hand, can be used for 35 years. What kind of soil do you use for your Highland Nepenthes? Let me know in the comments. I just finished repotting them like this. Finally, water the plants, and when the water from the bottom is clear, you are done. I will make a video of the growth of Nepenthes robcantley hamada that I replanted this time. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Click here to watch a video about Nepenthes. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a high rating. Thank you for watching.